93% of people who regret a major decision say they didn't research it thoroughly beforehand. AI can walk you through any decision, job offer, software purchase, career move in under 10 minutes. Here's exactly how. By the end of this, you'll have a repeatable research framework using AI that surfaces trade-offs, blind spots, and questions you didn't think to ask before you commit to anything. You need a free account with any major AI tool, ChatGPT, Claude AI, or Gemini AI, all work here. No paid plan required. If you've never used any of them, just go to chat.openai.com, Claude.ai, or Gemini.google.com and sign up. Takes 2 minutes. Step 1. Open your AI tool of choice and start with a context-setting prompt. Don't just ask, is this a good idea? That gets you a generic answer. Instead, give the AI your actual situation. Something like, I'm considering accepting a job offer at a mid-sized SaaS startup. I currently have a stable role at a large company. Help me think through this decision thoroughly. The more specific you are, the more useful the output. Step 2. Ask the AI to steelman both sides. Steelmanning means building the strongest possible case for each option, not a weak version you can easily dismiss. Prompt it. Give me the strongest argument for taking the job and the strongest argument for staying. Don't hedge, commit to each case. This forces the AI to surface real reasoning instead of diplomatic non-answers. Step 3. Ask for the risks you're probably not thinking about. Prompt. What are the 3 most commonly overlooked risks in this type of decision? And what questions should I be asking that I haven't asked yet? This is where AI for research genuinely earns its place. And if you want real, usable skills like this every day, Stack Future covers one every day. Step 4. Request a decision framework. Ask, based on everything we've discussed, give me a short list of the 2 or 3 factors that should matter most and a simple way to evaluate them. You're not outsourcing the decision. You're structuring your own thinking. Step 5. Run the same scenario through a second AI tool. Claude AI and Gemini AI often surface different angles than ChatGPT. Comparing responses takes 3 minutes and immediately shows you where the consensus is strong and where real uncertainty exists. Mistake 1. Asking yes or no questions. Should I take this job? Will get you a useless, hedged response every time. AI tools are not decision makers. They're thinking partners. Your prompts need to ask for analysis, trade-offs, and frameworks, not verdicts. Mistake 2. Taking the first response as complete. AI tools for research are iterative. The first answer is the starting point. Push back, ask follow-up questions. Say, you didn't mention X. How does that change the picture? The second and third exchanges are usually where the real value shows up. Mistake 3. Skipping verification on factual claims. If the AI says the average salary for this role is $95,000, or that company has had 3 rounds of layoffs, verify that independently. These tools can hallucinate specific facts. Use them to structure your thinking and identify what to research, then confirm specifics through primary sources. The framework is reliable. Individual facts need a second check. You now have a 5-step process. Set context, steelman both sides, surface overlooked risks, build a decision framework, and cross-check with a second AI tool. The one thing to remember, specificity drives quality. The more precise your prompt, the more useful the analysis. From here, you can apply the same method to any decision. A software purchase, a vendor choice, a career pivot, anything with trade-offs worth examining. AI doesn't make decisions for you. It makes your thinking sharper before you do. Use it to surface the arguments you'd overlook, ask the questions you haven't thought of, and structure the trade-offs clearly. That's what separates a decision you feel confident in from one you just guessed at. Coming up next, Git branching strategies. How development teams manage code without breaking each other's work. If this one was useful, hit the like button. It genuinely helps more people find it.